So we're super excited. This is the moment we've been waiting for. We are going to announce our winners, and we also have 2 extra prizes, which is really exciting, from Rhia Ventures and DigitalDx. Just a moment before we actually go through our winners, I want to let you know that it was an incredibly difficult decision for our judges, and they wanted us to relay to you that every single startup was incredibly good, that it was very difficult, and it was really, really close. So thank you so much. And Nina, will you please announce our winners?
I'm thrilled to announce our winners. So as Susan mentioned, something really special happened while the judges were deliberating. So Justin, can you please advance to the next slide? So there will be a combo deal prize for the 4th place winners. And so please advance to the next slide. Congratulations. Susan, would you like to hop in here?
Sure. Just hey, so our 4th place winners, we have 2 4th place prizes, and I apologize for we weren't able to fix the slide before. So go ahead, Nina.
Okay, sure. So we have a tie for the 4th place. That's going to go to Hey Jane. Will receive the Women of Wearables Award. So congratulations, Hey Jane. And LACDAP will win the prize sponsored by Nursing Innovation Hub. So we're thrilled that we were able to give both of these amazing startups a tie for 4th place and align prizes that will suit them best. So moving on, can we advance the slide, please? 3rd place, we have the Health Innovation Alliance Award, which is a 1-year membership in the Health Innovation Alliance. It's a $15,000 in-kind donation of direct government affairs and consulting services sponsored by Horizon. So this award goes to Hera. Congratulations. All right, and moving on, our 2nd place prize winner, advance please, perfect, is $20,000 worth of in-kind legal services, and this is a prize sponsored by Goodwin, and it's to facilitate continued innovation, and this prize goes to Hi Ivy. Congratulations, Hi Ivy. We're really excited for you. Okay, and finally, the last prize, the 1st prize, is $10,000. It's the grand prize for innovation in women's health tech, and it's sponsored by Goodwin. And please advance the slide. It will go to Kept Health. So congratulations, everyone. It's really exciting. We had 2 4th place winners, and we're really proud of all of the hard work that our startups put into pitching. Great job.
Congratulations. And now we're on to the Audience Choice Award. So I'd like to have a little drum roll. Our Audience Choice Award is Hi Ivy. Congratulations. Wonderful news. All of you did such an incredible job, and thank you so much to our judges. It was, again, very, very difficult to decide because everyone did such a wonderful job. So we really appreciate it. And now we're at the portion of our program where we actually have 2 other prizes. And these are incredibly special because 2 VCs volunteered to do prizes and actually read through all of the applications. So this means that every company got a fresh new read of their applications. And I'm incredibly delighted to introduce you to Jill Parker. She's the Director of Development and Investor Engagement at Rhia Ventures. She brings many years of experience in the world of reproductive health, coming most recently from Planned Parenthood, Marmonte in California. She has a background in strategic planning, marketing, and nonprofit fundraising, and she joined Rhia Ventures because she was excited about the prospect of bringing innovations to reproductive health through impact investing. And Jill, if I could welcome you to our stage, and if you could tell us a little bit about your award and the company that you picked.
Sure, thank you so much. This has just been a tremendous opportunity for us. So, our award recognizes a company that focuses on contraceptive or maternal health with a particular emphasis on underserved communities, and that can be women of color, low income women, or women who are on Medicaid. And just to give a little bit of background about Rhia Ventures, we have our impact fund. In addition, we do research to identify barriers to innovation and provide supports to our entrepreneurs to think about how to incorporate diverse perspectives and understand the needs of those in the underserved communities we're trying to address. And finally, at the field level, we bring together investors, entrepreneurs, funders, policymakers, reproductive justice advocates, and shareholder advocates, among others, to create community and to work together to identify solutions to expand innovations and access. So our impact investing, the venture fund focuses, as I mentioned, on reproductive and maternal health. And as an impact first fund, we're focused on equity and on expanding access to products and services in the US for all women. So this has been really a thrilling experience to partner with HITLAB. We were so impressed by the array and quality of ideas and companies. And this was really difficult to select just one winner. So before we do so, I would just love to congratulate all of the companies that participated. You all are working tirelessly, clearly, to improve women's health, and it's really through all of your efforts that we'll see change in the field. So thank you all. And in terms of the winner that we've selected, we have chosen Sonder Health. Sonder Health is disrupting the almost $1 billion lactation and nutrition telemedicine industry with innovative solutions that connect women nationwide with expert board-certified lactation consultants and registered dietitians through their virtual care platform. So we were excited about this company because they're making these services available 24/7, 365 days a year to these women, because that's when new moms need help. We also see tremendous potential for Sonder Health to help new mothers through programs like Medicaid and WIC, so they will be able to make lactation support available to all women, regardless of income. I'd love to introduce to you Lauren Majors, who is the co-founder and president of Sonder Health. So she is an international board-certified lactation consultant. At Sonder Health, she develops clinically integrated healthcare solutions that enhance systems of care, protect and promote breastfeeding, and increase public health for future generations through the use of telemedicine. Last year, she completed a fellowship with the Indiana Rural Health Association, focusing on how telemedicine can improve outcomes for breastfeeding women, particularly in rural areas and maternity care deserts. She leads the clinical team, a nationwide network of providers, and has been working professionally with breastfeeding families in a wide variety of settings for almost a decade. And finally, when she was asked why she and Sonder Health decided to pitch here, what they said was that they care about the same things that HITLAB cares about, investing in organizations that are creating innovative healthcare solutions so women and their families can thrive. And we could not agree more on those important objectives. And so it is a real honor for us to be able to recognize Lauren and Sonder Health here.
Thank you so much. This has been a really incredible experience, and I am so inspired by the innovation that's going on in this country and around the world. And I, on behalf of Sonder Health, want to give a sincere thank you to HITLAB and Rhia Ventures, not only for the work that you're doing to accelerate women's health tech, but for choosing us as the recipients of this bonus award. It's very encouraging. It helps us to continue to do the hard work of driving change and disrupting areas that traditionally have been really hard to impact. And so these resources are going to allow us to continue to get the word out there, to increase awareness of our solutions, and help others to understand the services that we have to offer so that women and their families can benefit and thrive. So thank you so much. This has been an incredible honor.
Thank you, Lauren. We're so excited to have you here today. We really appreciate it. Our second award is presented by Michelle Colucci. She is the co-founder and managing partner of DigitalDx Ventures, where she focuses on investing in early seed stage health diagnostic companies that utilize AI and big data technologies. She is a lawyer turned serial entrepreneur turned venture capitalist who's founded multiple companies in the legal, technology, and media spaces. And we were very privileged to have her on our panel earlier about funding underrepresented founders. Michelle, would you please tell us a little bit about your award and the company you picked and why? Thank you so much.
Thank you, Susan. So I want to first thank Susan and Nina and Stephanie, without which I would not be participating. I saw what they were doing, and though I'm early in my fund stage and we have a few early investments, I couldn't not join in and support them in this amazing challenge to support women's healthcare solutions, which are severely underfunded and underrepresented both in startup world and in venture. So I started a venture fund in digital healthcare. We're focusing on helping doctors make a better decision and diagnosing illness earlier, less invasive, less expensive, and more accurate, augmented by AI and data. We have about 6 companies in our portfolio that are game changing. We're really looking to move the needle because there's absolutely no reason when you go to your doctors with all the data our body gives us that we shouldn't be able to tell us, or that doctors should not be able to tell us what's wrong. It's just crazy. And the fact of the matter is that all the tests and all the technology that's been developed is primarily focused on men. So, we're half the population. So we have to do more and get better at helping women diagnose things that are, specifically women. So, women's issues. So we felt it was really important to join in today, and very excited to be here. So for our prize, we were focused on exactly the type of company that we would look for to expand the access of women to accurate diagnostics. And our prize is going to Coroflo and Rosanne Longmore. So very excited to give this prize to Rosanne. And just absolutely love what Coroflo is doing in that using sensor technology to better diagnose the amount of milk your baby gets when you're breastfeeding. And having had 3 children and one from my best friend that I adopted, but the 3 I did breastfeed, and it was hard. And most of the baby's body weight is lost a lot of times in the first month or so because there's not enough milk. You don't know if you should supplement, etc. So it's solving, what I think is a huge problem worldwide, and what we really feel will be a great source of comfort to all those young mothers who are so fearful when you have your first child. And Rosanne she's CEO of Coroflo. It's a company that's developed and patented the world's first accurate breastfeeding monitor. And they've raised about £4 million in investment and won numerous technology and innovation awards. And prior to Coroflo, which I love about Rosanne, is that she worked in financial services for 15 years and across different business units, including wealth management, client service operation, and was graduated from the University of Limerick, and completed further industry qualifications after that, Institute of Project Management and Institute of the Bankers. So we love cross-vertical experts, right? That really makes a difference because oftentimes you can see problems differently and you come up with solutions from other potential verticals and apply them in a new way. So Coroflo applied because she was hoping to be part of female entrepreneurs that are solving issues that affect women, again, severely underserved market, as we all know, and that it would generate a learning environment in the really disruptive femtech space, which I think is exactly what's transpired. And she's also solving problems that critically felt by women around the world, which I completely agree. And we're so happy that she's out there and has started this, Rosanne, this wonderful company, and all of you female entrepreneurs. It was such a hard decision. I can't tell you how many I kept saying, well, I want to look at this and look at this and look at this, but I really got excited about Rosanne's solution. So very excited to present you with the DigitalDx Award for Innovation Femtech.
Thank you so much, Michelle, and to everyone at DX Digital and to HITLAB, to Susan and Nina and Justin. It was such a brilliant event, and we are so just delighted to take part and to participate and to meet these American companies. You know, femtech is just, you know, it's just a constant word now in Europe, but to see what you're doing over there and so many of the companies I hadn't heard of. So we love to connect across the pond. Coroflo is a female-founded, female-led company, and we know the scientific health benefits of breastfeeding for baby, mother, and society. The World Health Organization recommend that mothers exclusively breastfeed to 6 months, and in the US, only 19% of mothers reach this target. In Europe, only 13% of mothers reach the target. And when you look at all the maternal studies that examine premature cessation, the main reason women stop sooner than they wanted to is concern regarding low supply or not knowing if their baby's getting enough milk. And it makes sense. For mothers who bottle feed their babies, they can see exactly how much milk their baby is getting, and this is hugely reassuring. But this reassurance doesn't exist for breastfeeding mothers. So that is the problem we're tackling. At Coroflo, we have patented a microflow sensor. It's a standard silicone nipple shield. A mother wears it like a regular shield, and all of the data of how much milk her baby is getting is sent directly to the app on her phone. So we are launching to the market next year. We're nearly there. We've raised over $5 million. We're 6 years in development, and yeah, we just wanted to, we're so delighted to be part of this this program and this campaign, and to have touched base with everybody in the States. And thank you very much. It really is a big honor, and we're at such a critical point, and to be reaching out and making these connections is really phenomenal for us. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much to Michelle and Rosanne. We really appreciate that. It's lovely to have you here. We know that we have a number of people calling in from Europe. It's late where you are, and we appreciate it.